Rescue teams have still to reach tens of thousands of Pakistanis who remain cut off by the country's worst floods in 80 years. An estimated 3 million people have been affected, and the death toll, standing at around 1,400 people, is now expected to rise sharply. The United Nations agency UNICEF says more than 1 million children need emergency aid, and health experts are warning that urgent action is needed to stop the spread of waterborne diseases. South Asia correspondent Sally Sara reports from the Punjab province in northwestern Pakistan.
The people of Punjab's floodplains are trying to stay afloat, but there are so many families in need, too much water and not enough boats. The locals are running out of time to get out before they're left without any high ground.
Many people are praying to God because there is not enough help from the government.
Local emergency crews have only 4 small boats to help rescue more than 10,000 people stranded in this area on the outskirts of Multan. They ferry people one by one. Many carry the memories of the last big flood 13 years ago.
In 97 and 93, the loss of people, ladies and gents, the children, many things.
It was very bad.
Very bad, very bad.
Many families have been left to save themselves and their means of survival. But as the waters rise, some are almost out of their depth. Their homes are only hours away from being submerged. In the northwest of the country, angry flood victims protested over the lack of help.
This is our 5th day. Nobody from the government has come to ask what problems we're facing. We're staying on a mountain. We lost everything.
In the Swat Valley, bridges have been washed away by the relentless flows. The army is leading the rescue effort, but parts of the valley are still cut off.
This was known as the flood of the centuries, and which has virtually devastated most of the structures, and especially the areas close to the rivers.
The swollen rivers are sending water deeper into Pakistan's countryside. Even more towns and villages are expected to be hit.
These floodwaters have come all the way from northern Pakistan, and there's still a lot more water which is yet to arrive. The great concern for emergency workers here in Punjab is that the rivers are yet to reach their peak. There are great fears that a lot of this water will inundate the valuable farming country in this area.
Emergency workers are on alert across the country as Pakistan's worst floods in memory continue to spread. Sally Sara, Lateline.